Educational Content Generator. This generator will help convey new materials in an interesting and interactive way to children. You can request information on any topic and receive an explained and illustrated book that children will love to read, and at the end, they will have questions about the topic. This way, they will get to know the topic excellently while playing and accumulating points. How do we do it? Really simple. We click on the Content Generator button above. On this screen, we give the book a name and we decide on the style of the book. Storytelling will give a story about the topic, more suitable for younger children, and informative will give a book with facts and not in the form of a story, suitable for older ones. We will write down the topic of the book. Here, we can give all the emphases, such as focusing on a specific year, giving more or less detail. This is a prompt for everything that will help to refine the content. In our case, we will request a story on the topic of environmental protection. We will choose the number of words, age suitability, and here we can even insert words that we want to appear inside the book. Here, we will choose the style of images that will accompany the content, and click Create Book. The book will be created within 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will move to this screen where we can view the book. Looks great! If you want to edit the book, you can change both the text and the images in the book editor. When the book is perfect in your eyes, ask the child to read it. In the top menu, there is a Play and Learn button. Children should click to answer the questions. Here, there are 3 games: answering open questions, where the child has to write the answers themselves. There is also completing the missing words, and an American test in which the child will choose from 4 answers. The book will appear among your books, and you can return to the Play and Learn area at any time by clicking here. The Content Book Generator is a powerful and effective learning tool. Use it to convey content in a fun and educational way, easily and quickly. Good luck! Books Giant. Writing, learning, playing.